Hey guys, it's Zach with Aldeck, and today I'd like to show you how to manage tasks for your project inside of Riviera-PRO. Tasks are used to keep track and monitor your progress on assignments inside of a project. Tasks can be assigned to different parts of your project to help define how quickly and the order things should be completed. In the toolbar, we can access tasks by clicking on tasks, or it can be accessed via View, Other, Tasks. The Tasks window will open and will show tasks that are assigned to the project. Tasks can be assigned to HDL source files, scripts, waveform files, or manually created and managed via the Tasks window. You can use these tasks to specify what needs to happen for specific parts of the design or for the design as a whole. When working in an HDL source file, you can use tags in the code to define tasks for that line in HDL source file. Riviera-PRO has some predefined tags for you to use, such as Fix Me, Later, and To Do. You can access these tags via Tools, Preferences, Tasks, Tags. Each of these predefined tags is assigned a priority target and are case sensitive. In this menu, you can also create new tags to use via the Add button. Enter your tag name, priority, and indicate whether it should be case sensitive or not. You can also delete tags you've created via the Delete button. In our Tasks window, we can view the status of a task, completed or not completed, priority, description, the file the task is assigned to, and in the case it is assigned to an HDL source, the line of code that it has been tagged. You can also use Filter to find projects that have many tasks assigned to it, and toggling the regular expression will allow the user to search using general expressions. The filter can be reset using the Reset Filter button. You can use the Priority filter to control which priority levels are shown in the Tasks window. At the bottom of the window is a task status bar, which will indicate how many tasks have been completed out of the tasks that are assigned. A percentage is given as well. When a task is completed, you simply check the box as completed or delete the tag in your HDL source code or waveforms. To add tasks to specific HDL source code, you can use a tag in a comment, and Riviera-PRO will recognize it as a task and add it to your tasks. A task can be assigned to a waveform using waveform bookmarks, which can be accessed in your waveform simulation. You can add a bookmark using the Create Bookmark button and name your bookmark. Check the comment box and add a tag to your comment, and Riviera-PRO will recognize the task and add it to your tasks. You can also add tags to existing bookmarks by going to Bookmark List and adding a tag in an existing bookmark. Lastly, you can add a task which is independent of any files but still exists inside the project. In the Tasks window, you can use Ctrl-T or right-click Add Task to create a new project-related task. You can assign a priority level and description to the task. Once the task is complete, you can use the checkbox to mark it complete. That's it for this video on Project Task Management. Thanks for watching.